Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to demonstrate how to implement SQL's max operator on a test database that we have here. So we have 1 and 2 under the slip number column, and those numbers are entered manually by myself. So what our aim or goal in this video is to reflect the next number or our control number in this payroll management window. So you can see we only have number 1 reflected on that window. That means that we are having a bug in this program. So in order for us to debug it, we'll have to make some changes in this code. So let me go back to this program and dive back to the code editor. So what I need here first is to at least copy a sample template for data retrieval. I'm going to use that SQL once again. I'll place it somewhere here down below the code so it won't affect the other codes that I have. Say add increment. Okay, that's the right word. Slip, or should say payslip. Okay, control number, because that is our aim for this video. So with this code, okay, we will be able to retrieve the max number, and then later on we'll try to increment it or add 1 once we get the max number out of the database records. So instead of using that, we use max, and the way to do it, we have to enclose it in an open and close parentheses. Let's say slip number. Okay, this means that what should be inside, okay, in that max, okay, is a column that we wanted to get the max number of that table. So let's say TBL payslip this time, since we just copied this from a sample SQL code. We're definitely not gonna need the other codes. So let's say we're not gonna use the inner join table DTR, because that means that we're going to connect to the other table to reference another ID, just to get another value out of it or from it. And then let's say where the pay period is equal to our label control number. Let's say and of course we'll have to enclose it inside single and double quotations here. And we're going to use the plus sign for append operation. Let's say LBL, where's the pay period, control number. Let's try it for now. And whatever you enclose inside this, okay, will be used by the MySQL. So let's try to convert it into numeric. Now let's see, another editing here. Okay, we'll have to remove some of those. Okay, these are not needed. Okay, we don't need these codes, so we'll have to erase. We'll have to create a variable that will receive the control number. Okay, and we'll have to pass it into another control. Let's say the label control number or the LBL control number later on. For now, we initialize its value into 0, and then we'll have to make an expression here, assignment operator for control number. This means that whatever we had on the right side expression should be stored onto the left side, with which is the control number. So we'll have to convert it into integer by using the that method to int 32. A lot of reviewing here. I think we still need to erase some and then add here. Control number is equal to the variable, okay, control number, that to string. Okay, and then let's review here. We have the pay period there, so definitely when we will use pay period, okay, we need to check the correct spelling. Let's see, have to erase that, and also let's see, I think we have to double check first the code before we try to run it. Okay, I want to avoid bugs showing up on my screen. Uh, let's see, erase that, and then no more DGV, I suppose. Let's see, we're still having a problem with this code because this is something that we have copied, so we'll have to make sure pay period is equals to the right pay period label. So let's see, LBL pay period dot text. Okay, so we'll have to open the connection here after using the command mysql, and then erase this unnecessary code. Yeah, I think we're doing it right here. So don't have a bug or by reviewing, okay, this line of codes. So we don't have unnecessary codes here that we got from the original code, or a template one. So let's see, when we run it on our payroll, now we're getting it done. Okay, so we have number 2 showing up because 2 is the max number, okay, or the highest number that you can see on that table. Okay, number 2 is the highest number for the slip number column. Okay, so our next goal is to increment it by 1. So for us to be able to do so, we'll have to assign it on our control number variable here. So let's add +1 on this line, 1376 line number. And then let's try to run it again. We hope to get it done there. So we have 1 and 2. We hope to see number 3 now. And there you have it. Okay, number 3 is showing up on our screen, reflected on that payroll management window, okay, for the control number. So everything is working now. Thank you very much for watching this video.